Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my crafty cupboard. Let's get into what I'm working on today, shall we? Here it is, my Victorian Sewing Box. The Roxy's Journal of Stitchery Treasure Hunt, Volume 4, all finished. And so this has been my slow stitching piece filled with all different techniques. It's an exciting day if you've watched me for the last 6 months stitch these pieces. At last we put the box together. So first of all, we'd need joining pieces of fabric here. So I'm just using my scraps. This is literally the last piece of the blue fabric. It's very satisfying when you do a project and you've used up every piece, because I think I'll join them all to this part first. Don't know that I'm going to have enough glue to finish. Wouldn't that be frustrating? Have to wait for more glue to arrive. Now, should they sit there or there? That's what I don't know. Can you see what I'm talking about? I'm not sure if they should sit on the outside or on top. Thinking on the outside. Let's just be brave. Okay, let's let that dry. I'll be back. Okay, so now it's time to stick the sides together with these, and I want to be consistent. One inch. Now this reason here is why I'm not using hot glue, because hot glue will pretty much not give you the option of picking it up and laying down again, like I just had to. Doing it by feel, because you can't see the hexagon underneath anymore. And I'm thinking of the sides of the box. is that this sticks to the next one. That way they'll all be joined. Okay, so I'm going to keep working this and I'll be back later. And I'll be back when more of it's finished. Setting some beautiful braid trim to the top of the box. I found this at Chrissy's Timeless Treasures in Victoria. An absolute gem of a store. With beautiful objects. Tiny store packed to the rafters it is, and I spent a long time. Rummaging through the doily basket and just happily staring at all the beautiful things. And came away with some lovely treasures. Have been very useful for this project. So I first come across this glue, I think, when my sister taught me cottage crafts. I used to do covered photo frames and padded photo albums and things like that. Little houses that had potpourri inside. It's also known as lampshade glue, so when you're making lampshades, covering lampshades, which I did a fair bit of when I was younger. I used to cover the lampshades to match the curtains I'd sewn or things like that. Oh, doesn't that just finish that off beautifully? Well, here it all is finished and I could not be more pleased. So fabulous. Put away my scissors. Other little tools and needles. Got my needle book, my koma for beading. Scissors, pocket for beads. Thread, pins. Space for other little pieces to sit, like maybe the hexagons, the things you're working with at the moment, thread maybe, my crazy pin cushion. And if we just tuck in the sides, this is my first time to put the lid on it too. I haven't seen it with the lid on. Very excited. Ah, there we are. Wonder if you remember all the prompts. Buttons. Sentimental. That's my name badge from when I was a baby. Something found. Word or letters. The treasured lace. Botanical. Monogram. Ready for the magic as I take the lid off? Vintage embroidery. It's not vintage, it's new. I embroidered it, but it was from a vintage embroidery pattern. And weaving, the little woven heart featuring on my koma piece. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Check out the playlist below if you want to see any of the pieces being made.